Welcome to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. Hope you're all having a fantastic day. Today I've got another old build that I'd like to share with you. This one here was something special to me. I purchased this kit back in 1984 when it was brand new. I'll put up a picture of the box art right here if I can. I've long since thrown the box out, but this one here was pretty neat. It was one of the first old-time classic kind of cars that I did. I usually built more modern, like 60s muscle cars and that kind of thing, and I branched out in '84. I wanted to do something a little different, so I picked this up, and when I purchased it, it was white. And now, even the white wall tires are kind of yellowing, which reminds me of like an old Gibson Les Paul guitar. You get a white one, and through the years it ages and mellows, and this is what this is doing to it. And I really like it. I think it's pretty cool. Here are the original instructions. Okay, it was 1929 Mercedes-Benz SSK, and it was put out by a company called Guns and Sengoy. Don't know if I'm saying it right, but the instructions were a little bit in English and the rest was in, I believe, Japanese. So I'll sit you down here. The instructions were pretty much just pictures. This is, and backwards, because this is the final product, and we go this way and we start the build over here. It was pretty cool. A lot of nice detail. If I remember correctly, back in '84, what is that, 41 years ago, it was an easy build. I enjoyed the heck out of it. I didn't understand a lot of it, not only because the instructions were in Japanese, but I didn't have a lot of experience building cars like this. So it was a nice challenge for back in the day. Now this one I've had in this case since the late 80s, early 90s. I think the hood comes off. Yeah, there you go. A nice little shot of the engine. You know, pretty cool. I'll get you a little close-up of it. You know, pretty basic, but still pretty neat. Had the pipes coming out the fender, like an old Duesenberg kind of thing, yeah? Not a whole lot of detail on the kit, but like I said, it was my first time building this style of kit, and I enjoyed the heck out of it. And this one is not screwed down or tied down, so I can pick it up. And there's bottom, pretty basic. Wheels rolled, I thought that was neat. So I don't have a whole lot to say about this one. I do want to thank you guys for stopping by and checking out the video. I hope you're enjoying the content. I've got a few projects going right now, and I had a little bit of a hand injury to my finger and my thumb, so I got a little bit of nerve damage going on there, so I've been kind of easing back on building right now. It hurts just to pick up you know, like the small tools and that we use. So I apologize for taking a break here, but I'll put out some old build videos and that just to stay in contact with you guys, and hopefully everything will work its way out and be good to go here before June. So alrighty folks, that's all I have to say on this one. As always, I thank you so very much for your time and stopping by, checking out the channel. And that's all I got to say. I'll see you on the next one. Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.